editor of Design World magazine. One of our goals at WTWH Media, the parent company of Design World magazine, is to encourage young entrepreneurs in their innovation pursuits. Thus, WTWH was one of the sponsors of the Cozy Business Pitch Competition. As part of our Live Your Dream program, our $25,000 contribution propelled the Cozy competition to the next level. The business pitch competition included 88 aspiring entrepreneurs. Similar to the concept of the popular ABC reality TV show Shark Tank, the competition awarded $40,000 in prize money to the finalists, with the top winner taking home $20,000. One of the semi-finalists is Nick Mestandria, CEO and CTO of Innovative Developments, LLC. He developed the wearable human interface device. We recently spoke with Nick about his invention.
Thank you for joining us, Nick.
Thank you, Leslie.
So first of all, could you tell me a little bit about how you developed this idea?
Well, I was recently owner of a company called MT Manufacturing, and I exited that company by way of sale in 2009 and was looking for something new to get into. I had an idea for developing a data acquisition system for the action sports industry. So in doing that, I ended up at a trade show, an SIA trade show, where I was trying to get some feedback on that device. On the way back from the trade show, I was sitting in coach, and across the aisle from me was a gentleman, trying to maneuver. He had his laptop out on that small table, and he's trying to maneuver his mouse across that limited space of his PC. And I sat there and I had my hand down on my side, and I thought, well, wouldn't it be kind of cool if I was able to control my PC just with simple hand movements and familiar mouse-like functions? And that's kind of what sparked Mycestro.
And that led you, and that's Mycestro right there.
Yes, this is the device. It has MEMS technology, has gyroscope and accelerometer embedded in the device, along with wireless technology from Texas Instruments. It has a touch-sensitive panel along the side that allows me to control cursor position and then left, right, and middle mouse functions, simply by locating my thumb across the panel. It also gives me the ability to scroll and zoom, in-air tap clicking, and other such things.
Can you give us a little demo of that?
So, it's a touch-sensitive panel. By touching at the tip, you start to get cursor movement, and then the panel is broken up into a touch-sensitive button at the tip, and then a touch-sensitive slide 3/4 of the way down. And that 3/4 of the way is broken up into segments that's controlled by the GUI, and there's handles on the GUI that allow me to position left, middle, and right mouse clicks, or mouse positions with my thumb. So by touching in different positions on the panel, I'm able to get those different mouse functions, similar like this. So slide it on your finger. Touching the tip would give you cursor position. Touching here is left, middle, and right mouse functions. And then sliding my thumb across the panel gives me the scroll and zoom capabilities. So then if I did right mouse click, hold.
That is so cool.
Oops. Bring that back up, mouse click. Open up a window, close. Let's try something like this. Tap,
How about disabled people?
tap, tap. And then we got the drag function. Still being developed.
That you've come a long way with this.
And holding my hand in place, it calibrates and starts to give me cursor position every time I touch the mouse. So just moving my hand back and forth, I get cursor position and up and down. And as you can see, as I rotate around in a circle, I get position. Simple right mouse click, touching the panel, gives us a right mouse click. Touching the panel again gives us left mouse click. Opening a window. This is Internet Explorer. If I want to close it, I have in-air clicking.
That's cool.
and also have some scroll capabilities, just by maneuvering my thumb across the panel.
That's great. And you can still type with that on?
Yeah,
attached to
it's
it?
pretty comfortable. You know, future designs of this device, we're looking at getting the profile thinner and making it more ergonomic, so more people will be more comfortable wearing the device. And also being able to wear it on both hands. You can imagine that if you had one on either hand, you'd be able to start to stretch, rotate, zoom other objects. So there's a lot of applications that this can be applied to, such as you know, military for heads-up displays, either head-mounted or helmet-mounted. Having the infantry personnel being able to control their tactical information just with hand gestures and mouse-like functions, but still being combat ready. Applications in the medical industry, you know, using PACS systems where nurses and practitioners can maneuver patient information across monitors,
Okay.
being able to access that. Disabled assistive technologies, being able to have disabled people be able to access their computers more easily and more efficiently. The automotive industry, where you'd be able to access your heads-up display in your car, be able to control, you know, whether you're going to be searching the internet or you know, some of the other information that you might want. The idea is to be able to take this device, be able to transition from your home to your car to your office and back again,
Okay.
all with one device.
You mentioned in some of the information that I read about this that the individual user can program the gestures that they want to use.
Correct. So because of the technology, you're able to capture 3D data. The position of the hand, angular rate, and then accelerations in all three axes on both devices. With that information, you are able to capture hand motion. So when I make a motion with my hand, such similar to this, that data can be captured, and then the user can reproduce that same motion and be able to tie that to a specific command. You know, Microsoft already has something like that, where if I was to hold down on your mouse, you do a right click and you draw a circle, I open up my mail. So it's similar to that, except we would use more embedded type programming.
Very cool. Very cool. So at what stage in the development are you now with this project?
Well, the prototype is working pretty good. The next stage would start to incorporate the Bluetooth Low Energy technology. That would save the power on the device. It would also access, have the device have access to multiple markets, just on multiple devices, such as, you know, your PCs, laptops, tablets, and any other device that would take a USB dongle that would be Bluetooth Low Energy.
Okay, excellent. Well, thank you very much for coming in. Congratulations on
Thank
being
you.
a semifinalist
Thank you
in
very
the
much.
Cozy Awards, and I look forward to getting that device on my hand fairly soon.
Yeah.
That would be great.
Yep.
All righty.
Thank you.
This is Leslie Langna with Design World Magazine and one of the new entrepreneurs located here in Cleveland.